People have this misconception that going to Dubai, you have to be covered up from top to toe, you're not allowed to show affection in public areas, or how easy is it to have an alcoholic drink in public and things like that.
The restrictions for drinking in Dubai are that you're only allowed to drink in certain licensed designated areas, but there are lots and lots of those. When I was there after dinner, we went to the Irish Village, which is an Irish pub, where I had a pint, and they were showing Premiership football. They also had the rugby on there.
You can purchase alcohol in any of the bars and the restaurants, in the main hotels as well, and the nightclubs. So if you do want to go out and have a couple of drinks, it's very easily accessible.
I think going to a Muslim country, you have to be mindful of the local culture. However, while you're staying on a beach hotel, it's absolutely fine. You can walk down the beach hand in hand with your husband or your partner, and it's not a problem. You can wear bikinis and whatever swimwear that you'd like to wear.
It would probably be frowned upon if you were to go into the shops or into the mall with a bikini top. They'd encourage you to cover yourself up.
The press does give people the misconception that they can't go over to Dubai and act normally on holiday, but actually for a Muslim country they are very liberal, and they're very welcoming as well to tourists. They have such a massive mixture of cultures going there every year, and it's just really using your common sense and respecting the local traditions.